Hey gang, out for a walk in the snow with the dogs today. And I figured I'd answer a couple of questions I get sometimes. First and foremost, folks ask, why don't you do more bushcraft videos? Well, the short answer to that, camera's falling over. The short answer to that is, I feel like my buddies Dave and Sean and Josh and Tony and Matt and Paul and all the rest of them have done plenty of that stuff, and I don't really like repeating what they do. So, with that being said, there may be some in the future, but as it stands now, I'll probably stick with what I have been doing. I may do some more product videos. Folks seem to like those, but they're the most complained about too, so we'll just see how that goes. And number two, car up on the road, slowing down for some reason, don't know why. Where was I? Let's see, number one, why don't you do more bushcraft videos? I already answered that one. Number two, what's your approach to all of this outdoor stuff? My approach is this. I like to keep things simple. The fact is, sometimes we want to overcomplicate things, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing to learn to do a bunch of skills and things like that, and build big elaborate shelters and do all kinds of things like that. But for the most part, I like to keep things as simple as I possibly can. There have been many times when we take a class out away from the main camp and spend a night out there, and I'll just roll up on the ground with a blanket, or even sometimes just the bivy sack off my MSS. So I kind of like to keep things simple, especially if I'm only going to be there for a very, very short time. If I was going to be someplace for a really long time, yeah, I'd build a big elaborate shelter. And I've got a couple I want to try. And we may do one or two of those on video, but I'll be honest with you, it'll be just for fun, because I wouldn't do it if I was just going out for a day or two. So, with that being said, have fun, stay safe out there. Thanks for your views, thanks for your support, thanks for supporting all my buddies, and keep on watching, like and subscribe, and go check out the description box and like and subscribe on some of the other platforms. And I finally bit the bullet and got a TikTok account, even though I don't think too much of TikTok, I'll be perfectly honest with you. But I got a couple of short videos up on there. So, Salty Dog Outdoors, just like everywhere else. So, talk to y'all later. Have a good one.